Back up to the basic, back up to that basic though. Back up to that basic, back up to that basic yo. Back up to that basic, back up with that basic flow. People telling me you hear me on that radio. I'm seeing that people's over here, I'm on my own grind. I'm doing everything, I'm doing this, I'm on my time. I'm over here and I back up with that bass and with the flow. I seen some people in my chat, they showing love though. The shade of love is in that how we back up on the grind. I'm doing everything, you know that we in the prime. When we in our prime, we doing it, we doing up. Back up on that basis, yes, I used to cut up, say, hey. I'm saying I'm back up on that basis. Some people talking about this saying, oh yes, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm telling about the things and that is still up on my mind. Some people talking about the politics like every time. You want to make me mad, we do also have some trolls. Some people's over here, they in they don't know no more. They trying to stop my shine, they wanna hate to see me go. I hit the 10K, everybody let's go. Saying, hey, send I back up to that base though. All the people's over here, we up on the floor. Back up to that base when I'm here to say the names. Back up to that base, yes, it's off the top of brain. Now I'm on that base, people saying they want to see. Seeing what they see, but they say cannot even be. Cannot be to over here, they in the industry. Saying the same words they 3 times, so what it be? Say, hey. Saying I'm back up on that basic though. Still I'm over here today. I'm doing this on my flow. Throw this over here today. I move my feet my own way. People telling me today, they said I'm crazy. Saying what? Saying I'm back up on that basic though. All the people saying I'm rocking up on my flow. Rocking up over here, I got my own clothes. People saying that if you really want to go, no. Now that we back what? Back up on that base what? Still we going straight up. People want to hate what? Hate to with that positive vibe. People want to go high. People's over there today. Saying that that's a number right. I don't like your energy. I don't care about thee. All the people over want to go and hate me as I'm going over. Then I say I told ya, people getting bolder on that net like those ya. Let me tell you about this. Back up on that basics. People talking about what? Some of people racist. Yes, I'm on that thing today. People saying that what I say. Get the upper out my way. Slap that stuff out your face. Yes, I'm on that what? Back up on that basic. Yes, I'm on that what? Back up on that basic. Yes, I'm on that wood. Back up on that basic. Yes, I'm on that wood. Back up on that basic. Hey, saying I see some people in the house. Back up on that basic when I wanna shout you out. When I shout you out, I'm here to go and run my mouth. People's over here today, that's how we getting down. Daniel Sports a highlight. Back up on that basic though. Still I'm over here today. Yes, I want to rap a show. Rapping up, I rap for you. People said it's what I do. Still I'm over here today. Yes, I'm going to rap for you. Get right in that house now. Go over here, he getting down. Beating up them hates man. People say he's insane. Doing burpee in cold. Shirt is off but still bold. Still I'm over getting told. Yes, you know that's how we grow. Back up on that basic. People say I'm on it. Now I say I'm zone it. People talking about it. Back up on that basic. Back up on that basic. People's on that basic. People trying to make it. Starting from the bottom. Get to the top though. Still I'm over here though. Saying I really want more. Back up on that basic. On it now. Back up on that basic. We getting down. Back up on that basic. We talking now. Back up on that basic. We getting down. DJ is up in the house, so when I say your name, back up on that bass door, you know we in the game. Rocking with your dog today, your dog is in the game. Yes, I'm on that bass now, but still we get the game. When I seen that kid now, there was just in to say, back up on that bass, I shot you out my way. He said his name is Crib, but still is Kendall. I'm calling back your YouTube, you know we good enough. So back up on that basic, yes I want to grow. Back up on that basic, some people gotta go. Back up on that basic, because I'm on my grind. Back up on that basic, oh yeah, that is my time. Back up on that basic, on that wood. Back up on that basic, I'm getting up. Back up on that basic, I'm going up. Back up on that basic, let's cut it up.